Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday. Summer's up here. I took a little bit off her toes last night. She wasn't happy. I have a cough. I bet it's all the wildfires. Because yesterday we had a dangerous air quality. So that wouldn't surprise me if that was part of it. So, yeah, that was kind of icky. And I, of course, was like, whatever, outside working, should have stayed in. That's in the barn. I suppose you don't tell air where to go, do you? It goes wherever it wants to go. See what's going on today. Last night, I got home. I weed whacked till the weed whacker battery ran out. Put it on the charger for today. And then I came out and I enclosed the stall with chicken wire for the chickens. And all of them but two are locked up now. Bonnie, of course, and another one of my newer hens for egg production that I got. Did I get them last year? Good Lord, who knows? I must have. I got them last year. Yeah. So they're coming up on a year old. They were replacements for some of the standard coaching that aren't. It's hot in here. It's actually letting me milk both teats. It's down my time. Tell you, this goat likes to be pregnant. It just makes her all calm and chill and relaxed and happy. You don't like being knocked up, honey? She's like, yeah, it's the only way I like to care for them. Once they're born, I'm not interested. Although, when Bear went after one of her babies, she sure did knock him up. Sent him flying. She sure did. She was like, oh no, you don't. You don't touch my babies. They're my babies. I will headbutt you into next week. And she did, literally. And he's a little fat, porky boy. But she hit him and sent him flying. Knocked him off his feet and moved him like 5 feet. Tell you what, though. He didn't bother them babies anymore. Right, Mama? She said, that's right. They're my babies. I might not want them, but they're mine. I can headbutt them, but nobody else is going to headbutt my babies but me. Because I'm their mama. I either got a splinter, something in the back of my finger. I can't see it. Oh my gosh, is it painful? It's not raised. I don't know what it is. I wasn't by any fiberglass yesterday. Yeah, sometimes if you rub it on the back of your skin, you can feel it's like a splinter, but it's not. Mama, that's all the milk I'm going to get from you today. Hang on, I'll lay you down. Give me 2 seconds to pour this up so you don't spill it. So you don't spill it all over. I don't want you to spill it. Want me to do your feedies? No. She's like, no. Well, we don't have time this morning. I gotta go to school. But we might have time. I need to take that, put it in the wash. I need to take the garbage out. Because I filled it yesterday. Threw away a couple hang nets. So my little Rowan got his foot stuck in a hay net. It didn't. It just cut off the circulation for a little bit, and then he was walking on it. I need to check on him because he was limping. He was limping yesterday still. I don't know what's going on with that foot of his. What's going on with his foot? I don't know, do we? You ready to go back with your girl? Your screaming girl? And she cries. She's so cryy. She's like, oh, mama. Why is this one mixed? Thought I got good corn. Maybe not. Maybe not. Alright. Come along. I'll be right back with Autumn. What's up? Hey girl. Promise to get your wings clipped so that I can keep you in the stall. Mama! Get out of that. No, you may. This is not a buffet. You may not come and help yourself to whatever you want in here. Come on. Come on, you little girl. Come on. Come on. You're a fat, pregnant little girl, maybe. I don't know if you heard that, but that's definitely a chicken getting fertilized and not happy about it. How'd you go, BC? Even though you're little, you poop. Whew. Yeah, so I weed whacked yesterday, and I got the chicken stall enclosed, and I did a little foot trimming, and I went to work. Whew, what a day, huh? I'm hoping today I get some strawberries. I didn't pick any yesterday. I picked some the day before. And I need to get some strawberry jam done. I'm going to call Wendy and ask if I can go pick some rhubarb so I can get some strawberry rhubarb. I love strawberry rhubarb. It's just that combination of flavors. To me, it's perfect. Oh, I really have a runny nose. They're saying there's a new COVID that includes eye conjunctivitis or pink eye. And then they said that the most common treatment is antibiotic eye creams or eye drops. But yet it's a virus, so antibiotics don't work. So I don't know whether that's because it can cause an infection of your eye. Which is kind of weird that this came up and then you can't buy tetramycin, which is normally used for eye conjunctivitis from a feed store anymore for cows. Because cows notoriously get pink eye. And so the farmers would go to the feed store and get tetracycline for their. It's just, I don't know. It's just. I don't know if we can fix anything. I'm sorry, but This whole thing was we're going to give the WHO regulatory authority over citizens, over me. No. And I don't care what any governmental agency says. As a United States citizen, I have inalienable rights. Okay? And I never signed off that you could sign away my rights. I don't care if you're the president. I don't care if you're every member of Congress and the Senate. I don't care if you're every elected official in this country. You cannot sign away my individual inalienable rights. You have no authority to do that. You're not God. So, I didn't even close your head in. What's that all about? It's biting me. I'm not done. Now, am I done? I guess I'm done. And that's why you lock their head up. Because she decided she was done. Because the corn's almost all gone. Are you done? You want to go outside? Because I'm going to let you go. We're going to end early today. And I'm going to go get ready to go to work. And she's going to eat out of the end, which she's not supposed to. Only because it's a plastic container and it's kind of high. And I don't want them to put their heads on it and lean on it and break it. Because it's only, on there with 2 screws. It's not on there super, because I don't have an extra bottom board. I could have run an extra bottom board, but I didn't. I didn't. I mean, I'm not building it for Alcatraz. I'm building it to melt into foot trim. Look at how your hips are showing. Oh, I don't like that. That's because you haven't been outside on the grass in a couple of days. But you're going out today because it's not supposed to rain. Have a good day, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.